welcome back to another video, and glad to have you here just so I can show you this great nice little pink look that I did. I know I did a pink look before, but this one's different just because it's a halo eye, and I don't know, just something that's cute, something that I just threw together. Yeah, so really don't know what to say today. I'm a little bit low on energy. If that makes sense. Well, anywho, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Okay, so with my Morphe 35H palette, I am going to be using my M535, and I'm going to be going in with Beige Night Out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it all in my crease and bring it upwards. Alright, and then I am going to go in with Heat Up, this like bright pink right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that right under my crease and blend it in with the pink. Okay, and to darken up the look a little bit, I'm going to be taking Party On and then blending it in with that hot pink that I just put everywhere. I'm gonna go back with my M535 brush and blend out everything. Okay, and then with my JH42 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease right in the middle and go down like right here in the middle to make a halo eye effect. You know what I'm saying. And I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to be taking Rose Pink with my M152 brush. And then put that right on top of the concealer. Alright, and then I'm going to go back with Party On and put that right on the outer and inner corner crease. Outer and inner corner of the eyelid. And just blend it all in. Now it is time for lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. And then once I put my mascara on, I am going to go in with, they're upside down. 1 second. And then I'm going to go in with my falsies from Eylure, whatever. I'm going to go in with these lashes, and these are the style, I have no idea, but this is what they look like. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my Morphe foundation in the shade F2.60, and then I'm going to be using my beauty sponge, my damp beauty sponge. Now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my Covergirl Clean Professional Translucent Powder and go ahead and put that right under my eyes. Alright, while I'm letting that bake, I am going to go back in with this hot pink and the purplish shade and mix those two together, and then put that right under my eyelid on the bottom lash line. going to take this shimmery shade right in the corner and then put that on my inner corner of my eye. Alright, and then I'm gonna dust off the excess powder. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and contour my cheeks and my forehead. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 8H palette. Gross. And then I'm gonna be taking Donut and Debutante and using my E4 brush. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my contour with my translucent powder. And then I'm gonna go in with Ooh She's Blushin' once again by Bretman Rock. I don't care if I use it all the time. I really like it and it looks good. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my cheeks, or whatever the frick this is called. But I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Glow Kit, and it's the one that's called Gleam. And I'm gonna be taking Mimosa and mixing it with crushed pearl. Last step, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to be putting that right on my lips. Okay, last step. I'm going to be taking my Morphe setting spray, and I'm going to be using it, duh. that is the finished look. What do you think? Honestly, this came out pretty good. And I was a little afraid to do it at first because the first time that I did it, I kind of did it a different way. I didn't cut my crease or anything. I kind of just threw on a color. But honestly, it looks a lot better when I did it this way, and I am happy the way it came out. So honestly, I'm thinking about cutting my hair. I don't know if I should cut it because I don't know if it looks good short or not. Let me know. Let me know in the comments below if I should cut my hair.